New Hampshire is notching a one-day increase of 66 new confirmed COVID-19 cases. Public health officials say about 10 of those are coming from batch reporting delivered from test results processed in Massachusetts. But they don't think there's too much to read yet in the numbers, rebounding from a 3-day stretch in the 40s and 30s.
I think we're still in the range, although it's a little higher today even than previous days. But as we've said numerous times, 1 or 2 or 3 days worth of data does not indicate a trend or a pattern. So we just need to be careful. I think it's great to be hopeful for sure when we see lower numbers, but we know that they can bounce up and down.
There's also been another confirmed fatality. A resident of the Hanover Hill long-term care facility in Manchester testing positive after passing away. Governor Chris Sununu says the state will be providing financial assistance to those long-term care facilities and Medicare providers struggling to retain workforce in this pandemic.
These workforce incentives will help support those on the front lines of the crisis and ensure that our loved ones within those facilities have the care that they need.
The governor closed his briefing linking the COVID-19 struggle to the religious holidays being observed this weekend.
We have to remember that these holidays, they're about salvation and deliverance and finding a lifeline through very tough times when sometimes it seems like all hope is lost. Well, hope is not lost here in New Hampshire. We are not down and out by any means.
And Governor Sununu is not following Governor Charlie Baker to our south in Massachusetts in issuing a statewide mask-wearing advisory of the cloth variety, the masks are, that is. Governor Sununu says New Hampshire should still be following CDC guidelines, which encourage cloth mask wearing in public only when social distancing is not possible. Reporting live in Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.
Today, the governor also announced tens of millions of dollars from the federal stimulus package will be going to schools and colleges in the state. WMUR's Tyler Dumont is also live in Concord tonight with more details on that. Tyler.
Well, Jean, the governor says that the state will be receiving about $82 million from the Federal CARES Act. That is the federal stimulus package. All of that money will be going into New Hampshire's education system. Now, some will go to discretionary grants, but most of that money will head to K through 12 schools and colleges and universities. The governor says they will all be able to use it for costs associated with remote learning and for cleaning and sanitizing their buildings. Beyond the classroom, the funds will extend the waiver for students who need meals outside school through September. Schools can also use it to cover mental and emotional support that students may need amid this crisis.
That's a staggering amount of money, frankly, and we're very excited about the opportunities it will present our students and our kids across a variety of different branches of education.
Now, the governor's office tells me that they are still awaiting federal guidance as to the timeline for when schools may receive this money. Reporting live in Concord, Tyler Dumont, WMUR News 9.